Hi everyone, I'm Elle, and today I'm going to be doing a first impression on the Christian Dior Book Tote in the medium size, and this one is the Reverse Trois de Juillet. I think they call it deep blue for the color. So I recently got this maybe I think a couple months ago or a month and a half ago, and I wanted to let you guys know about my first impressions, what I'm thinking about it so far, and how it's going. So I bought this in April of 2022. If you want to check out my unboxing, you can go ahead and look at that. I'll try to link it below. This is the medium size. So it used to be called the small size, but Dior made a smaller one. I think it's about maybe like this big. It's like more of a square size. It's a really cute little bag, but this is the medium size. So it goes large. Right now it goes large, medium, small, and this is the one in the middle. So this is the medium, and here's kind of an overview of it. Here's the front, the side, the back, and the bottom. I chose this one because it's so pretty. Well, I chose it because it's super pretty, and I liked how the background color is this dark navy colored, and then I also really like the regular one where it has the white in the background or the cream in the background, and then it has like the blue embroidery. But I figured that this would kind of show less dirt and wear. Well, when I bought this, I knew that it'll probably get worn because of this, like, just the nature of it, that it's an embroidered bag and it's cloth, and it's kind of a bigger size, so you know, more room to bang around, and it has like this cream color right here. So I figured I would kind of go with the darker one, and I really like the contrast between this dark background and then the creamy white embroidery on it. I also really like the gray, and the pink was so beautiful, but I went with this one because I figured it would give me a little bit more peace of mind knowing that it wouldn't get as dirty. And then, oh, what do we have? I'm going to use this today, so that's why I figured I would do this video. This is just the dust bag that it came with. And here's the inside. So you can see. And then this is the only leather part right here, is this little tag that says Christian Dior Paris, made in Italy. And then it has a code on the back. Yeah, and then I couldn't decide what size I wanted to go with. I think the pricing between each of them is not very significant. I think it's maybe $100 in between. So I really like the little one because it was so cute. But I think I went with this one because it can fit my MacBook. So, and I figured that I would use it more. And I was thinking about doing the embroidery on the back, but now that I have it, I'm thinking that I know this sounds kind of crazy, but I'm thinking about getting the littler one and doing the embroidery on the back, because I think that that would be super cute. So that's kind of on the back of my mind right now. But maybe if I find a print that I really like, I might go with that. I also really like the regular Dior oblique pattern. I really love that pattern, and I don't have any bags with that pattern, but I haven't decided if I want to go with another book tote or go with a whole new style of bag. I have a bunch in my mind because I'm on a Dior kick right now. But yeah, okay, that was a tangent, but let me tell you about this. I have a few totes, and this one has been my least used right now. I think it's because it's just so pretty, and I think I've been babying it more than I should, because this one is the most expensive out of all the totes that I have, and I think that's why I'm like so nervous about getting like messing it up, because I see how people like I've seen other reviews about it when people have had it longer, and they show like the embroidery on the handles, it kind of starts fraying, and over here on the sides, I know that it's gonna happen, but I don't know. I'm still haven't gotten over that hump. You know, when you get a new bag and you don't want to baby it, because I don't really baby my bags, but I always go through this period of time where I like don't really want to baby something, but I don't want to just completely use it. So I'm still not over that hump yet, is what I'm saying. So I have been gravitating towards my other totes over this one. But I have used it maybe, I want to say, let's see, I've had it since April and it's July now. I would say that I've used it maybe more than 10 times ish. If I'm not carrying like a medium sized bag and I'm carrying a smaller bag, what I usually do is carry a tote plus whatever bag, so that I can have like everything I need throughout the day, but not be stuck like carrying a huge bag, is what I usually do. So knowing all of that, I have used this maybe 10 times, which is not too bad, but it's definitely not as much as I use my other totes. And let me just show you the inside. So I think this is one of my prettiest bags right now, which is why, and it's one of my newer bags, so that's kind of why I am hesitant about using it so much, because I just kind of want to preserve it, but I also want to use it. Ugh, you know how that goes. But yeah, I'm really liking how the handle, I like how like you can stuff everything in it and then carry it. And I think if I went with a bigger size, I wouldn't use it as much, because I think that this already is like pretty big for me, and I'm not planning on using this like to take on a plane. I think if I was gonna use this on a plane, I would want the bigger one. I mean, I could take it on a plane, but right now I'm still kind of worried about it. So this has been more of a like, I'm going out for the whole day and I want to carry everything kind of bag. I have not taken this. I have taken it like shopping, and I do like how I can like, instead of having all my like shopping bags with like random things that I buy, I can throw it all in here. That's really nice about it. And as far as the weight goes, I'm gonna say it's not too heavy like a leather bag, but it is pretty, it's not super lightweight. Like I have the Rive Gauche tote. That one is is more lightweight than this bag, but I think it's because of like the material that's used. It's a little more heavy, but yeah. And I foresee, like I said, I've watched videos about this, I foresee wear and tear happening along the edges and on the handle. I've seen that they get frayed. So that's kind of what I see. And I can see like the corners getting bumped on things, because that's normally what happens with my bags, is that I'm kind of clumsy and I bump into things. So I could see the corners getting wear. Right now, I haven't worn it that much, so it looks pretty good. But I wish, like I was saying in my other first impression of this tote, if it had a strap, that would probably make it like way perfect. Although this would probably dig into your armpit if it had a strap and you're carrying it. And I can fit my arm under here as a shoulder carry, but that's just kind of like if I need to, as like a last resort. I wouldn't think of this bag as like necessarily a shoulder carry bag. It's more of a crook of the arm. It's more of like a crook of the arm and handheld kind of bag. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking about right now. It's definitely my prettiest tote, and I love the embroidery. I am a sucker for embroidery, and this is like so beautiful. I know that these are like really expensive, and I want like the embroidery of it is like so beautiful. Do I think that it's worth the price? No, not at all. But yeah, the embroidery is just really, really beautiful on it. And let me show you what I can normally fit in it. I'll show you what I'm packing today since I'm using this today. I am going out for the whole day and I'm planning on stopping at a coffee shop and kind of working a little bit and meeting up with some friends, and then I might go to my family's house. So I'm gonna show you what I am packing. So the first thing that I am going to pack, the first thing that I wanted to know, and I showed it in my unboxing, is that this is my new laptop. It fits perfectly on the side, like, and it has like a little bit of room to spare, you know, like, and that is my main thing when I get these types of totes, is does my laptop fit? If it doesn't, then I don't really think of it as like what I'm like the purpose that I use totes for. I wouldn't get it, because that's the whole reason why I didn't get the smaller one, was because it didn't fit my laptop. So I figured if I like this enough, I'll get the small one. So yes, it fits my laptop, but let me put the organizer in it first. So I got this organizer on Amazon. I know that some people like the Samorga ones, but I really wanted something really quick and easy. So this came and was delivered super fast, and it was very cheap. So I might invest in the Samorga one, but this is what I'm using between my totes right now, and it's doing the job. So I'll show you what it looks like with the organizer and without. So with the organizer, you can tell that it makes it a lot stiffer, and it really keeps the shape of it. So it's like a really big like rectangle box. So I'll show you what I am putting in today. First, I have my my medium Louis Vuitton agenda. I'm going to do some planning while I'm at the coffee shop, so I have that. And then I have my toiletry 19. I just have like pens, hair clips, glasses, extra sunglasses, post-its and stuff like that, and lip gloss in here. And then I have a hair tie that I usually carry. I usually like something that will hold back my hair. That fits in there. Let me close it. So that fits in there. I have a water bottle. This is my tiny water bottle that I carry around. There's a little water bottle holder thing that fits in there. And then here are my sunglasses. I'll just show you them. They're pretty cute. These are the sunglasses that I am going to have. These are from Gucci. They're pretty cute. There's the side of them. And I just have them in this soft case here. So put that on the side. I like to carry a fan around because it's pretty hot. So here's just a fan that I got from Daiso with some cute cats on it. So let's put that on the side. And then my laptop charger can go here. And then I'll put my laptop in the back right there. And then I usually like carrying a smaller purse. So here's the small purse that I'm using, and then I just have my keys and wallet and AirPods in here, and that can fit. Let's see. Let me put it. I'm gonna put it in here. Let me do some Tetris work over here. If I scoot everything. Actually, if I can get it to the side. There we go. That's a much better fit. It would fit, but I want to smush everything. And then here's the charger. So that's usually what I do. Let me get my glasses so I don't squish them. Okay. That goes there. And then I have my glasses. Let's see. There is a little pocket here somewhere. I'll just put it on the top. And then I usually like carrying a sweater because I'm wearing a dress today, but in case I get cold, I like to bring a sweater. So that is usually how I pack it. And this right here is like, you know, I put in a lot of stuff in there, so it's pretty heavy, but that all fits. And then let me show you, here's the top view. Let me show you what it looks like without the organizer, because I know that the organizer takes up some space. So let's see if I could just pull it out. Whoop. That's what I like about these things. Like if I changed my mind and wanted to use a different tote, I could just plop this right in. So let's do pouch, agenda, purse, little purse, glasses, my water bottle. I'm a little nervous about putting my water bottle in here without the organizer, but it's pretty secure. I haven't had any spills with it. And then my fan and my cord. Wrap it back up. My cord and my laptop. Whoa, sorry. I knocked over my my tripod, but there's my laptop. And see, it looks like you get way more room if you want to put more stuff in there. And then my sweater. And there we have everything. So I'll put the organizer to the side, and there is everything. So yeah, I will let you guys know how I feel about this, maybe in a year, or if it's not working out for me, I'll let you guys know and my thoughts about it. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, and if you like the type of videos I'm making, you can go ahead and subscribe, and yeah, thanks guys. Bye.